Hello everyone, welcome to Preparation with Harish. In last class we have seen the physical quantities and we have also seen the types of physical quantities. We have seen the representation of physical quantities, correct? So in today's lecture we shall see what are units and also the types of units and also the system of units. So let us start today's class with the topic units. So I think you people remember from my last lecture that I said a physical quantity is given by n into u. Correct, no? And what was n here? It was magnitude. And what is u? It was a unit. Now what is this exactly the unit is? See, whenever you say some physical quantity, after measuring, you have to specify which physical quantity you are measuring to. Correct? So, let's say for example, if I am measuring a temperature, I give it in a Kelvin or a degree Celsius. Correct, no? So, whenever you measure something, you give it with respect to some, a thing like a degree Celsius or a Kelvin for temperature. So, this is what is called as unit. Means the unit will specify what you are measuring to. So, the outcome of measurement is followed by the units. So, let us say length. See, even length, can I say 10 meter? Here the meter is specifying that you are measuring to length. You can never say mass as 10 meter, no. This is totally wrong. Correct? So this is what the units are. And the units are very, very necessary to know what quantity you are trying to find. So let us see the types of units. See, there are two types of units. One is fundamental unit and the other one is derived unit. So let us start our journey with the fundamental units. Okay, let us continue our topic. See, I said let us see the types of units. Types of units. See, there are two types of units. One is fundamental quantity, fundamental units, and the second one is called derived units. See, the fundamental units. See, before we understand fundamental units, in our nature, many physical quantities are present. You can say like n number of physical quantities are present. But some quantities are there out of these physical quantities which are independent of each other and which exist without dependence of the other physical quantities. So, in total, you can say fundamental units are those units which are independent of other physical quantities. Okay, these are independent of other physical quantities. We'll come to the derived units part. First, let us understand what are fundamental units. See, these are independent of other physical quantities. Okay. So, what are those? There are total 7 fundamental quantities, fundamental units are present in our nature. So, in total, how many fundamental units are present? There are 7 fundamental quantities are present. Which are those? See, the first one is length, quantity, unit, symbol. Okay, the very first one is length. The unit is meter, symbol is m, small m. The second one is mass, kilogram, or you can say kg. The third one is time, second, small s. And the fourth one is electric current. You can say the unit is ampere, capital A. Next is the fifth one is temperature. You can say the unit is Kelvin, given by capital K. And the sixth one is amount of substance. It is mole, MOL is the symbol. And the very last one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. It is candela CD. I hope you people got this. So fundamental quantities are those quantities which are independent of other physical quantities for their units. So there are 7 fundamental quantities are present and 7 fundamental units. So those are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. The unit of length is meter and the symbol is small m. And for mass it is kilogram, the symbol is kg. And for time the unit is second, small s. The electric current ampere, A. Temperature, the unit is Kelvin, capital K. The amount of substance is mole, MOL. Luminous intensity, candela CD. I hope you people got this. So once you got this fundamental quantities, you should understand what are derived quantities. See, the derived quantities are those quantities which are depend upon the fundamental quantities for their units. For example, volume. See, we know volume can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities, no? L cube, area, L square, correct? So fundamental quantities are those quantities which are independent. The derived quantities are those which are dependent. There are in total 22 derived quantities which are present in our nature and many more. I hope you got this. Please do like my video, share my video and please subscribe. I'll give you a side. Please take down.